Thermochromic paints. Thermochromic paints contain pigments that change colour when they become heated. The pigments absorb energy as heat radiation, infrared, and then emit this energy as light. As the temperature rises, less light is emitted, causing the pigment to change colour. Thermochromic pigments are used to colour paper, plastics, fabrics, and paints. Most thermochromic pigments are coloured at a low temperature. As the temperature is increased, a temperature is reached at which the pigment becomes colourless. Different pigments can be made to change colour at different temperatures. These pigments can be added to acrylic paints to give even more colour changes. The symbol on the cup is painted with a mixture of magenta, purple, and yellow pigments. At low temperatures, the mixture appears red. When the cup is heated, the thermochromic magenta pigment turns colourless, and the symbol becomes yellow. Thinking time. Where could a paint that changes colour with temperature be used? Applications of thermochromic paint. Thermochromic pigments could be used in the handles of saucepans and frying pans. As the handles become hotter, their colour changes, and this acts as a warning. Warning stickers that change colour on heating could also be used on cups for hot drinks, on frozen food packaging, electrical kettles, and toasters. Thermochromic paper is used in thermal printers to produce images. The image is formed by selectively heating parts of the paper as it passes over a heated printhead. The paper turns black where it has been heated, but remains white where it has not. Thermochromic paints are also used to make thermometers. These can be used to monitor the temperature inside fridges and freezers. In addition, thermochromic pigments can be used to make strip thermometers. These work when applied to the forehead. The correct temperature is given by a green coloration.